Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today we've picked up a few more of the stones to go onto the water feature here. You can see I've picked up a kind of varied amount of different sizes, shapes, mostly kind of the flatter stones, which I'm using kind of for the edging side of it. But also guys, I've tried to pick up some that have kind of the moss and things growing on it. Now some people may want sort of spotless clean rocks when they go to build these sorts of features, which of course is one option to do. On my side of things, I'm kind of going for that kind of natural look straight away. So what we're going to do is start rocking these in, and we'll come back to show you the process of how we're doing that, go over a few tips and things like that. Alright guys, so I've got a few more of the rocks in. Just going to show you this bit here. So as you can see here, I've tucked the liner up, so I'm kind of pulling that up as I go. And what I'm going to do is actually backfill here with some of the extra dirt that we've got over there. Again, one of the reasons why you save the dirt is so you can go around and pull up the liner as needed. And as we're kind of rocking in and hiding some of the liner here as we go. Now, of course, just having a look, guys, you can see even with the large amount of rocks we picked up, only got a few left here now. And as we go through, we're just kind of tidying up a little bit some of the lines and corners, and again, just trying to make it a little bit more natural on that side. Just going to get a few more in, and we'll show you what it looks like once we've got them all in. Alright guys, so you can just see now where we've added a few more of these rocks in. They got used pretty quickly here. You can see I'm kind of working on this back edge here. Again, just tucking that in. What I'm going to do is backfill on that as well. Again here guys, we've added some of the mossier rocks to where the water is, hopefully just giving that idea of kind of that wetness, dampness, and hopefully the moss will continue to grow on those and fill in any of the gaps here. You can see also at the top here guys, managed to get a bit more onto the stream, nearly got all around the back here. Again, right now we're just really doing the edging, a lot more work to do, a lot more stone to go in as well. So we're by no means finished on this one here, but it is nice to kind of see the stream section now looking a bit more sort of natural, starting to blend in with the back here as well. So if we just take a step back guys, we'll come out to the middle, try not to fall in. And you can see here now guys, it is looking a lot more kind of natural off the back end there. So what I'm doing is kind of working my way forward, but as you can see guys, we are starting to get that look a bit more of like a natural pond here. So quite happy with that. What we'll do is just take a walk around here, take a look down from the bar area here guys. So as we do that here now, as you can see, it is starting to really look like it's sort of meant to be there. And then when I go around and backfill around all the rocks here, again, it's just going to raise that level of ground, but also at the same time, what that's going to do is kind of blend it in so it looks like the stream is coming or is sort of in the ground as opposed to above the ground here, which is kind of the look it's got at the minute with all the rock lining here. Let's just take a little step around the jungle path now guys, and you can just see angle wise really starting to get kind of a nice kind of flowy look through here. It's starting to look a bit more again like a stream, and kind of the idea that I'm going for here. So as we come take a last look here guys, you can just see now what we're kind of looking like. Down at the bottom, got a nice bit of flow coming out. Again, you can still see quite a bit of liner here, but this is all going to be hidden, similar to kind of the way we're doing it here guys. So again, certainly stay tuned for the rest of the build. Got a lot more work going on this end of the year. If you haven't subscribed already, certainly drop us a sub and join the community. And of course, following that, thank you for watching.